Hey everybody, welcome to the Business in a Box video series from Coda. And we're chatting about OKRs. In the previous two videos, we took a look at how to create the basic structure, how to add some customization and team workspaces, and now we're going to take a look at how we can build in some escalation. Because we all know that when it comes to goals, not everything goes smoothly, and sometimes we need to flag that we need some help. So what we can do is we actually build in a button that allows us to do some escalating inside of our system. So how it'll work is the first step is we want to add a new column. So we're going to go ahead and add a new column. In this case, we want the column type to be a button. So you can just click on that and be ready to go. So we'll say this is escalate. Now we can decide what we want this button to look like and how we want it to work. So what we'll do is we'll go to Button Options. The column format menu is going to be your best friend anytime you're working in Coda. Now we decide what should the button say. We can say Ask for Help. Or maybe we want it to be Flag a Risk. Whatever you want it to be. Now we choose the action. In this case, what we want to do is notify. And now we can say to. Here, what we want it to be is maybe we want it to be the owner of the key results or the team's manager. Now, in the previous video, we took a look at how you can pull in teams using crosstalk. Now, this is going to be the right call because the team manager would then get notified that there's an issue on the goal they're responsible for. So really nice, quick, easy element. So for the message, we could put a general message like a goal needs your attention, like so. Or if we wanted to be more specific, we could actually use a formula. So I could say equals, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to concatenate, which is a fancy way of saying put two things together. So here I'm concatenating the name of the goal in the row and needs your attention. So now it would let the manager know, hey, this is the goal, goal 1 needs your attention. And when we go ahead and choose the flame and the red, now the button feels a little bit more like home. And we could go over here, flag a risk, and it's going to go ahead and send a notification to that manager. So I would see right up here in the corner, there we go, goal number 1 needs your attention. And notice we've actually got a little bit of an issue here. 1 and needs, there's no space between. So what we could do is actually make a change. So we'll head over here and we'll choose to go to button options and head back here. All we need to do is just add a little space in front of needs your attention. So now if I were to say, all right, flag that risk, just like so, it would send that notification and we should see a space now there. So it's always a good way to sort of learn from your work, watch your work and see how it's going. And with that, we now have a handy little button that allows us to flag risks whenever we need to so that the managers know when to step in and our OKRs can be something that keeps us connected rather than keeps us apart. With that, I'll see you in the next section and have fun.